DCN Army, we are back with another video, and thank you all for tuning in to another episode. As you guys can tell, last Saturday, we did not post a video. Simply, we're just literally testing out the YouTube algorithm, and to do that as well, we appreciate every single one of you guys to make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Especially if you enjoy our content, we encourage you to tune in every single week to our YouTube channel. We will keep you updated and posted with the latest crypto market updates. Guys, we are Daily Crypto Network, and if you don't already know, we keep you updated every single day about the crypto market. That includes all of its subcategories, such as blockchain technology, Web3, metaverse, decentralized finance, everything crypto and digital related, tokenization, all of the above, guys. Of course, will be found on Daily Crypto Network. Yeah, so today's video is going to consist of a lot of articles since the 14th of July. And yeah, guys, make sure you take into consideration that this is not financial advice. Any decision you take outside this video is solely your responsibility. So with all that being said, let's just zoom through these articles and see what we found. Of course, many other articles have been shared within our Telegram. The link is down below. Go ahead and subscribe for free to our channel. First article of today's video will be taking us to the New York City. New York Yankees will allow their workers in-house to be able to convert part of their paychecks, their salaries, into Bitcoin. This is thanks to the major firm that also already trades on the stock exchange, NYDIG. They will be a partner of the New York Yankees, and this multi-year agreement with this organization will allow the conversion of salaries into Bitcoin. NYDIG's Bitcoin saving plan becomes the arrangement that brings both organizations together to provide this service. New York Yankees is known worldwide as arguably the best baseball team ever, and so for these reasons it's really revolutionary to see that they come together with NYDIG platform to create this Bitcoin savings plan program for their employees. Super exciting. Make sure you take into consideration that all of the articles we go through are down below in the description, so you can have a look at them on your own time. But according to the study conducted by NYDIG, 36% of the workers under the age of 30 have indicated that they would be very interested in investing a percentage of their earnings in Bitcoin, the most appreciating and performing asset of the decade. Let's go on to the second article of today's video, and it will take us to España. Yes, the Spanish crypto exchange, at least it's based in Spain and created in Spain. Bitbase will now expand its operations to Latin America. Bitbase is very popular for their crypto exchange, but also and mainly for their ATM operations. They have operators and ATMs all over Spain and Europe, also in Portugal. And now they're looking to open several locations in Latin America, specifically Paraguay. And in recent videos, you can see that we've spoken a lot about Paraguay. If you're interested to learn more about Paraguay and what's happening, just type Paraguay in our Telegram, and a lot of the articles that is related to Paraguay will show up. Venezuela is also next on their list. They're planning to expand in other countries in Latin America as well. But this visibility will also bring more actors into the crypto economy, of course. So yeah, of course, the store will be able to, of course, lend and offer support, guidance, education on cryptocurrency, what it is, and of course, they have their own cryptocurrency ATM in the store, and those same customers who are learning about what cryptocurrencies are will be able to purchase or sell their Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies in exchange for the Paraguayan fiat currency, which will be the local currency. And we can see this model being adopted across Venezuela, perhaps with the US dollar rather than the Venezuelan dollar, since we're very familiar with their high inflation at this moment. Or they would just keep their earnings, their money in crypto, since a lot of entities and organizations are accepting Bitcoin as payment as well. 6% of the total ATM industry in Europe is owned by Bitbase. That is quite the number. And of course, they will be looking to gain more market share as the industry continues to grow. Let's move on to the third article of today's video. Guys, these articles are all going to be insane. It's all dating between the 15th and the 20th today of July. So it's all relatively new. And here we are with another approval. Coinbase, the third largest crypto exchange, if I'm not mistaken, they've secured their regulatory approval in Italy. Now they're joining their competitor Binance with the clearance to offer crypto services and products and regulation tips as well to the Italian country, Italy. And boom, for your heads up, just another interesting one between the giant crypto exchanges that are out here. Binance has flipped Coinbase and is now the crypto exchange to hold the most amount of Bitcoin globally. This means that their holdings have increased. They've continued to purchase along the way. I mean, to be honest with you guys, Binance is in a particular position right now, being the number one cryptocurrency exchange, looking to receive regulatory approvals in many different countries and continuously knocking down those barriers. They're also having the interest in employing more and more people, thousands of people. And of course, they've also already gotten rid of their trading fees in several countries, if not all of their countries. And this is just literally so incentivizing for the end user, and also giving you a taste of how much money they've accumulated since they've decided to get rid of the trading fee, and that's what pretty much was paying them this entire way. So yeah, regardless of the actual current cryptocurrency climate between crypto traders, institutional investors, and mutual funds, also even just retail investors, digital assets continue to grow and this adoption continues to increase. And we cover that every single day, every single week on our YouTube videos. And here's another example of Binance finding itself in a leveraged position to gather even more users. Exactly. So the public trust is insane with Binance. You have the likes of Cristiano Ronaldo, who's going to raise awareness in the football sector and the NFT sector as well, since it's an NFT deal. And you have the Italian Senegalese TikTok creator Kaby Lame, who's also going to bring a big audience, since he has hundreds of millions of followers in all different types of social media platforms. These two types of agreements and deals are just going to be astronomical in returns. And yeah, guys, like we've already shared those articles as well within our Telegram. We keep you updated, and we're determined to keep you updated. And this dedication is going to continue for many years to come. So make sure you are already tuned with Daily Crypto Network. But also, I mean, as we've already mentioned, they've received regulatory approval in Dubai, Bahrain, France, Italy, as we just mentioned, as well in Spain, and this will continue to grow, guys. And here we are with Southland Credit Union, a huge mutual fund in the United States. They will be able to purchase Bitcoin in partnership with NYDIG. So Southland Credit Union users and customers will be able to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin, but they won't be able to transfer that Bitcoin outside of the custodial wallet. So these are going to be new services provided by the traditional mutual fund. They will host custodial services, track, of course, users' money, of course, as well, since they're not able to transfer outside the wallet. It is very much against the principle of Bitcoin, but these entities are going to have to offer these services to their users since they have already gotten such a big customer base. All they simply have to do with the trust that they already have from their customer base is implement and insert new features, new technologies, and they will continue to thrive since the end user won't look to find the actual interest and develop and revolution behind Bitcoin, which is total transparency, but total interoperability, but most importantly, total privacy as well, where you can be your own bank. So with this new release, a feature has been implemented and offered. It will be a limited time promotion. The Southland members that enroll for the service before October 18 will simply receive $5 in free Bitcoin. Just an incentive to get you guys all attached and associated to this new membership. And NY Dig, again, we speak about them in the same video, and between what they've done with the New York Yankees and with Southland Credit Union, NY Dig, whoo, they're going to be huge on that stock market because they continue to just adopt new partnerships and provide this new technology to centralized entities. But let's move forward with another article in Dubai. Yeah, we spoke about Binance going to up their employees. Dubai is also going to increase their metaverse efforts with hosting around 40,000 new jobs between now and 2030. These jobs will be virtual jobs helping the Web3 and metaverse. Dubai and the UAE in general has huge ambitions to be one of the world's top 10 metaverse economies. We can also include South Korea with their huge incentives as well and efforts for the metaverse. It's just astronomical the amount of investments they're putting into the metaverse, and it's only right that they receive their return with the technology that we have at our hands today. Artificial intelligence and Web3 is their main focus, and the Dubai metaverse strategy has objectives of the UAE to enhance the nation's status as one of the world's leading countries in futuristic sectors by investing in new technologies. Again, guys, all of these articles are down below, and we recommend for you to have a look at the articles that are very much associated to your background, your day to day life, and also what is interesting and how you can move around with your portfolio in a diversified way. In any case, here, between virtual reality and augmented reality, 6,700 jobs have contributed to $500 million to the UAE's economy, and that is just huge, guys. And it will continue to grow. It says here that the metaverse reached 13 billion in 2021, while real estate sales in the metaverse surpassed 500 million last year. We already covered a lot of real estate companies in Dubai that have adopted Bitcoin, and we recommend for you to join our Telegram so you can also be updated with this news. Exciting. Honestly, Dubai and the UAE, just them in general, that whole region out there in the UAE, they are keen on this Web3. And we're here to just share with you that continuous adoption. And it is literally at a high scale. And for the last article of today's video, we are headed to Francia, France, and their huge giant bank, BNP Paribas, has entered the crypto world with their new custodial services provided by a partnership with Metaco and Fireblocks. Yep, the bank BNP Paribas will offer custodial services for their users, of course. And this is thanks to a new partnership deal with Swiss digital asset safekeeping firm Metaco. And although this has not been implemented yet for the end users of BNP Paribas, this is only just speculation, and it can occur, and it will most likely occur for BNP Paribas, but also for other major banks in the world. Metico has already filed themselves nice deals with other huge entities as well, such as Citigroup and also BBVA, which is located the in the country of Spain. And it's just huge, guys. So with all that being said, They've also seen here that they will work alongside BNY Mellon um, for crypto assets, and BNY Mellon, if you are not yet familiar, and you would have been if you have joined the DCN Army, BNY Mellon is the partner of Circle and the actual custodial treasury for USDC, the stablecoin. Circle, the issuer of USDC, has found themselves two insane partners. One is BNY Mellon, a very historical traditional bank in the United States, and also a strategic partner, which is none other than the largest asset manager in the world, and that is BlackRock. Guys, we've shared with you a couple of gems in today's video, and we hope that you enjoyed it to the very end, to the very T. And of course, stay tuned to subscribe to our channel, because we will be back with more articles to keep you updated on this beautiful ride into the Web3. Let's all do it together, guys. Join DCN Army. We will see you very soon in the next video. Have a great week ahead. Ciao, ciao.